Today, we're going to make a spooky Halloween scene. We will need a paper plate with the middle cut out, construction paper, glue or tape, popsicle sticks, and our imagination. Let's start off with choosing our background. Be sure to pick out a basic color that will fit the width of your paper plate. Now that we have our background color, it's time to make our puppets. I painted popsicle sticks to match the background color so that the characters look like they're floating. You can make your characters by either drawing or picking stickers to make spooky figures, like a ghost or a bat. Just tape or glue the character to the top of the popsicle stick. Next, we'll make a foreground, which will be the stage for our puppets. Start with a simple shape to make a landscape for your spooky scene. I chose to cut out a hill so that I can put a haunted house and other details on it later. Turn the plate over and tape the foreground directly onto the sides and bottom of the back of the plate. Tape your background to the sides and top of the plate only. Make sure not to put any glue on the foreground. It's important to leave the bottom completely open, kind of like a pouch, so that your puppets will be able to move around smoothly. Gather different drawings or stickers as decorations. These will enhance the scene. I stuck with popular Halloween colors, which are typically black, orange, green, and purple. I also chose classic Halloween symbols like black cats, jack-o'-lanterns, haunted houses, and bats. You can print out some pictures, draw your own, or use stickers. Play around with how you want it to look before you commit to gluing anything. Once you're pleased with how everything is arranged, glue or tape the decorations onto your scene, on either the foreground or the background, but not both. When you've added your last detail, you're done. Grab your puppets and make up spooky stories. Happy Halloween!